guys, it's me, Gamer War, and today we're gonna watch Jeffy having hiccups. So let's get to these reactions, okay?
If I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeff, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Hold your breath and it'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
That's actually a bad idea
Hold your breath.
because suffocate.
Keep holding your breath. Oh, you breathe. Jeffy, breathe. You can breathe, Jeffy. Hold on.
Realize, Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That's right, Brooklyn guy. Oh, so if Jeffy dies, he'll lose Mario, will lose his career, everything.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You called the doctor for hiccups?
Exactly!
Are you kidding me? I'd be doing surgery right
That's
now.
what you get. You could be saving lives. See, even Jeffy slaps you.
And I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
It's just the
You were a
same
hiccup
guy
specialist?
in a
Yeah, I
different
went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
How bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like
That's
pepperonis.
weird.
Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, it didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is boo!
What?
No, not quite.
If it happened
I'm
once,
gonna have to
why
go
would
out to
you
my
think
car
it'll
and get a
happen?
few things.
If it works
Boo!
again? Now you tried it the first time.
It's
He's a
got
little
the nerves
scared.
of steel.
Oh, okay. So
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boo! All right, that's not
He
working.
just
Come
keeps
on,
on
come
doing
on.
that. He's not gonna scare Jeffy.
Ah,
Jeffy's so
boo!
scared.
Back up, up!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right,
Really?
stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy.
Why are you breaking stuff?
Where's
Mario's
my
probably
kid so I
pissed
can
off
yell
with
at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh, that's dangerous.
A
No.
crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why
Yeah,
it's
he's
scary.
gonna
What
die.
happens if you
Yeah.
miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly.
Exactly,
But if
why
I
would
get the
you
apple,
do
it'll
it?
be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom!
It
Man,
will not
I'm
work.
gonna get him
He
eventually.
keeps on doing that all the
All right,
time.
let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy,
Big
are you
buddy
okay?
didn't get. He didn't hit Jeffy.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
And now it
What are we
goes
gonna do
through
about
the
his
wall.
hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
The hole in my...
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Oh, no, that's dangerous.
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
What the hell is messed
The
up?
black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh no, they're gonna die, obviously. Why would you trust Jeffy with a knife? He's obviously gonna kill both of three of you.
What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
Oh, it's really a robot.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
Well, that's best of like 9/11.
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left-hand red, we're good.
What?
I
Alright,
think he's
champ,
probably
down you
gonna
go.
die. He's probably in a coma.
Well, he landed left-hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Gas stations.
Alright, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good.
Oh,
How much I owe
Jeffy
you?
eat cat food. Like, that's disgusting.
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I
probably
forgot
gonna
my
get
wallet.
kicked
I must
out
have left it at home.
of the store.
Oh no, how am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
Leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think
Internet,
Jeffy has
internet,
incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boo! Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Oh my god.
Come on, Jimmy.
His hiccups is
fly.
gone.
I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
What, Jeffy, do you have
Obviously it's
hiccups?
gone.
I don't think so. What? I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh, no. No,
What?
please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
Bye guys, subscribe and leave a subscribe and put some thumbs up, smash that like button, bam.